In hot rural South Georgia, workers are harvesting the state's iconic Vidalia onions. But many worry a new state law that's tough on illegal immigrants could keep them from coming back. Humberto Martinez says he and his wife want a better life, but they're scared.
With this law, they're taking away our dreams and the dreams of our children who are born here. I'm the father of a child, and I'm going to be forced to send him to Mexico because, in fact, I am illegal.
The law will be phased in starting this July. One provision begins next January and gives employers with more than 10 workers until July of 2013 to use a federal database called E-Verify to check the status of new hires. Some farmers say that could drastically cut their workforce.
If the majority of my people are illegal, or we can't verify that they are, then I won't have anybody to do the work because local people won't do this work.
Right now, federal regulations require employers to check 2 forms of ID. If a worker's ID looks legitimate, employers cannot turn them away. With E-Verify, an employee's name must match a Social Security number on file.
We've been going right by the book and what the Labor Department requires of us, and still, I don't know for sure how I stand with these workers. So with this E-Verify, it could shut me down. I don't know.
Alfredo Perez travels between Florida, Michigan, and Georgia, harvesting different crops, but says next year he may skip Georgia altogether. Even farmers who use a sanctioned federal guest worker program are concerned.
They all feel like they're put into a box together, and whether they're legal or not, they're really concerned and scared to deal with all that. So they'll just go somewhere they don't have to deal with all that.
Bland says if farmers can't find cheap labor, consumers will feel it.
You can get ready to pay about 20 times what you're paying for a Vidalia onion to start with.
The measure also allows law enforcement to check the immigration status of suspects and penalizes anyone who harbors or transports illegal immigrants. John Belmont, The Associated Press.